Listen, man.
Amen.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is the first time that we are gonna vlog this shit.
And right now we're in Lawton Avenue.
Lawton!
We've been
And we're
here
stuck
for
in traffic.
like 20 minutes.
Yeah. And we're going to the Migs Castro.
Mix Castro, he's gonna pay us
We're going to meet him because he's offering us something.
a job. Hopefully
Hopefully.
the pay's good.
We're here in Manila to like test out the life here.
Yeah, and look for jobs.
And watch our journey.
As we
Watch our
try to
adulting
lose
journey.
weight and find a job.
And sustain ourselves in this busy concrete life. Manila.
Jungle.
Concrete jungle. Can't look for a job. We're just gonna resort to vlogging. And then naasa na kami sa YouTube. Just
ano na lang ko, professional triathlete para may bayad sa ako.
true. And maganda pa yung weight. Sorry, yung physique. Physique.
Not like right now.
Not like,
This is like
Bacolod fats. So, ngayon, now that we're in Manila, we're gonna
starve.
We're gonna starve and get fit. We're already here at
Where's
the
Starbucks?
BGC High.
There's Seattle's Best.
We're gonna meet with him at Seattle's Best, and I don't know what's gonna go down.
I wanted Starbucks, but because I have this card.
Yeah.
Kasi I'm broke.
So hopefully he's gonna pay for it, because you know he has a lot of money na. He's on that stage na adulting na.
But he's a photographer, but he has a lot of money.
Yeah, he's on that adulting stage na he has money na. So we're on the
has money.
we're just on the first stage of adulting. We're
Like
just even pre-adulting.
We're poor.
We are poor.
We should just speak in English para we won't sound too
Okay.
provinciana, diba? So like, oh my god, look at that!
Look at that one.
Oh my god, like, I'm here right now. I'm here ngayon sa BBC.
I-freak out na siya with the video camera.
Ano mo lang to kasi.
Party.
Good morning.
It is the mix. Ang gagawin natin? Magle-listen man ako. Tapos ikaw hey man.
Okay.
Listen man.
Amen.
It's Miss Castro, man. Come on, support our vlogging career. If this is not gonna come through, or if nothing's gonna come through in Manila, we're just gonna pursue vlogging.
I feel so sad.
What did you say kanina? Welcome!
Welcome back to Manila.
So right now we're with Nick Castro. He's taking us around High Street.
Look at the time I have to go.
Oh God, no!
Pero I watch.
You need us, Nick. No, no.
Actually, yes. I have to walk around because sometimes you might... What's wrong with this person?
She's taking it seriously.
This is not serious.
We're trying to film a weekly video.
Alveo. Migs. Alveo friend today. Hi, Migs. Migs. Miguelito.
Question.
I know.
Haven't you answered? No, conversations up to here.
I know.
Conversations up to here.
This Ateneo dude is cutting me off because I'm Lasallian. Shame. Art. My ring light. My ring light.
Holy shit.
Greenwich has a ring light. Oh shit! Wow. Greenwich instant ring light. We are currently doing our adult stuff. We've been buying stuff. And then this adulting guy right here, he's too adult enough not to understand the vlogging world. You remember? Adulting so hard. Ito na pala yung mga adulting starter packs. Ate, say hi. Hi! Vlog day 1. Woo! We're buying pillows for the condo. In Bacolod, we have our own pillows. But now, in Manila, we don't. Yes, cheap pillow.
I got it.
Eurotex eh. Yeah.
And it, 469.75.
That's cheap for you. What'd you do to Cushy? What'd you do to my Cushy, Maggie? Part. Hot dog. Part.
Ano na lang eh.
Oh, part.
Dahil lang gito yung kinulang kuya.
Oo, part.
Ikaw
True.
yung pinaka-pillow. Actually, ako originally, I sleep with 6 pillows. Hindi wala ko may mahimo, kaya pigado ko din.
I sleep with 3 pillows. One for the head, one for the hugging, and one for the this one.
Okay.
Look for hot dog skins. That's what you look like when you're a boring adult. Are you a boring
Oh
adult?
my God, you call me boring.
Yeah, what do you call this? Hot dog skins to eh.
Bolster.
Ano bolster?
Ito bolster pillow, bolster.
Ah, tawag, bolster tawag nito? Ah, yan. Bolster.
Color, choose your color.
Sorry. Pink. Maggie, Joey and Chandler ta. We are gonna be Joey and Chandler. Roomies.
You won't even